I am in Austin. I made it out of Louisiana and I came to Texas. We're making our way out west of California, as you know, for the holidays, but Jesus. Look at her. Just feels good, I guess. Okay, so anyway, we are out here in McKinney Falls State Park, which is where I stay almost every time I come to Austin, and we have a guest here. Introduce yourself.
Josh.
This is Josh. Josh is from Houston, but he follows my YouTube channel and he wanted to come and visit. So now we're just hiking around. Joey's over there. Banks is somewhere. Yeah, I'm just showing you guys around. All right. Stuff you gotta look out for. People leave their fishing hooks. Can you do it, Banks? Can you get down? Of course you can. What do you think?
I really like the landscape here. It's really cool. You had a booger.
Where?
I was just kidding. I didn't know what you were after. I was hoping you'd be like, oh my god, where is it at?
Oh. Try to embarrass me. You can't. You failed. I'm always an embarrassment. Joke's on you. Can't embarrass me. Walking embarrassment. Hi guys. So you're gonna laugh or call me dumb or make fun of me in some type of way, but somehow, I'm not sure where or what it was on, but I guess I hit something with the camper. I'm ashamed. I've been driving for 2 years with this thing. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you what happened. I guess like at some point I went under something on one side of the camper that was too short. I know there's like bridges and like overhangs at like banks and gas stations and stuff, and I hit one, and only on one side of the camper, and scraped off the vent where my air conditioning unit goes in the roof. And so yeah, the other day it started raining in New Orleans, and we were like, why is the camper leaking? What is going on? So we looked in the cabinet where the air conditioner is, and there's just a big hole in the ceiling. So let me show you what it looks like. I got a ladder. Got it in the mail. I had to order it off of Amazon, and this is the size of it when it's not up, but it's actually 12 feet tall. And if you just like open it, it gets really huge. And we had no way of getting on top of the camper, but now we do. Alright, this is the damage. This is the hole. That's my air conditioning unit, and this goes straight into the camper. Down there, that's in the cabinet. So, this is what I did. This is all messed up. So, that's what we're fixing. It's terrible in cowboy boots, dude. There's no, like, look at, you see how slippery this is?
God.
Great ladder. Bad boots to climb in.
Nice. Alright guys, I'm up here on the roof of the camper. I'm gonna try to figure out how to fix that. Okay, I got some sheet metal, some new snips, and a fresh cardboard box. I'm gonna climb up there, use the cardboard box to make a template, and then climb back down, trace it on the sheet metal, and start cutting and bending. Alright, made this little template, and I got started on transferring it to the sheet metal. I'll do a little time lapse and kind of keep you guys up with my progress. I'm not really used to doing all my work without a bench vise or any shop stuff. You know, I'm definitely not used to using a picnic table as a workbench. But I got this thing made. It's I think it's pretty close. I think it's straight enough to work with. Okay, so without getting like a super huge piece of sheet metal that we'd have a lot left over from and would be a pain to work with, this is the biggest piece I could get without getting a piece that big. So it's actually the same exact length as the thing I'm covering up, but like I want a little bit of overhang right here, so I'm gonna have to figure something out for that. But it's a pretty good fit.